Hey guys, Jay Howerton, Service Manager, Neil Huffman Honda in Clarksville. Don't mind my videoing skills. I'm doing this myself back here. Just wanted to talk real quick about some vehicle maintenance and some specials that we're running now through the end of the month, just as kind of a Black Friday. So everyone loves Hondas. Everyone loves Hondas for a reason, and that's because they last forever and arguably are the best vehicles on the road. Well, they don't do that by themselves. So most Hondas have up to 6 fluids. You've got a brake fluid, you've got your transmission fluid, we've got engine oil that everyone knows about. This car's not equipped, it's electronic, but most of the Hondas have a power steering fluid. Of course, engine filter, cabin filter inside the car, got a differential fluid underneath the car for the all-wheel drive if your vehicle's equipped. We have engine coolant, and then of course battery maintenance, especially through some of these cold snaps and warm snaps that we're going through. So now through the end of the month, to help everyone with maintaining their vehicle, we have buy 2 fluids and then you'll get the next of equal or lesser value for half price. So pretty good deal, just to help everyone keep up with the maintenance of their Honda. And we're also offering financing now, which is a really easy way just to check. You can go directly to the website just to check to see what you're approved for as far as financing. So if anyone needs help with that, we're here to help you in that way too. And then really just anything else we can do, give us a call. We'll shoot you a video of what we find of the car. Of course, we'll do a complimentary multi-point inspection for you on the vehicle. Check that out and see if there's any open recalls or anything. So we'll look forward to seeing you and mention this video so you can get some of these specials. Thanks. Huffman has it.